While pneumonia often requires medical treatment, there are several natural remedies that can help manage symptoms and support recovery. Here are some effective options. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids, such as water, herbal teas, and broths, helps thin mucus and keeps you hydrated, which is essential for recovery. Warm compress. Applying a warm compress to your chest can help relieve chest pain and discomfort associated with pneumonia. Honey. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can soothe the sore throat and cough. You can take it by the spoonful or mix it into warm tea. Garlic. Garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties. You can consume raw garlic or add it to your meals. Crushing garlic and applying it as a paste to your chest may also provide relief. Peppermint. Peppermint tea or inhaling peppermint steam can help open airways and ease breathing difficulties. The menthol in peppermint acts as a natural decongestant. Breathing exercises. Engaging in deep breathing exercises can help improve lung function. Take 5 to 10 deep breaths, followed by a few forceful coughs to help clear mucus from your lungs. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. You can add turmeric to your meals or mix it with warm milk for a soothing drink. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Drinking ginger tea can help soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Steam inhalation. Inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water can help loosen mucus and relieve congestion. Adding essential oils like eucalyptus can enhance the effect. Rest. Prioritize rest to allow your body to recover. Adequate sleep and relaxation are crucial for healing from pneumonia. Important note: while these natural remedies can help alleviate symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment, especially if symptoms worsen or do not improve. Pneumonia can be serious, and medical intervention may be necessary.